And final round of the Saint Felix Day Human Towers 2011. Here we have the Castellers de Villafranca building a pillar of 8 levels. The construction which we've seen them make this season during the Festa Major of Verano Valladolid. That was their first pillar of 8 levels this summer. Let us see if we get another one here. There we have it crowned. Very well done, Castellers de Villafranca. So we have Viladruy, Pascarayas. And the rumor is that Miñor Catarata will not try to repeat the same thing. We are in Villafranca del Penedès during the day of San Felix in Catalonia 2011.